Hey guys, Mike again with TV Parts Today. We're going to be doing another removal video today. We're using a Samsung UN58J5190AF. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you need to place an order, be sure to call us at 1-800-203-7484 and let's get into it. All right, first stop on this train is going to be the main board. Looks like we've got two clips here, a ribbon cable on the side, and then another one up top, and then just a handful of screws. We're going to get rid of these cables first. This one right here, you're going to pinch down on the top, pull it straight out. This guy here, pinch on the sides and then shimmy them out. This one might give you a little bit of grief. They sometimes do. Let's see. Oh, it's not so bad. And we can try this one up top here. Same one, pinch it on the sides and then just kind of shimmy it on out. Oh yeah. And this one here, flick it up with your fingernail and pull her right on out of there. And all we've got to do is take out these 4 screws. Be very gentle when lifting up just in case there's adhesive. It doesn't feel like there is any. And there we have it. All right, we're gonna mosey on over to the T-Con. We've just got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on this metal plate. We are just gonna take those out and take note, there is a strip of tape here holding this in place. Feel free to remove it. Whenever we get this flapped over, I'm just gonna detach it and set it off to the side. So yeah, let's get into that one. That one's good to go. Pull back. And honestly, if you just pull on it, it'll detach on its own. And then you can see our ribbon cables here on the 3, and we've got 2 screws here. We will want to be using a finer tipped screwdriver for this. Don't use a drill. If you use a drill, you're gonna strip those screws out. So let's get these ribbons disconnected first. With your fingernail, pop those up, pull them on out. Same one with this. Lift that up with your fingernail and pull it on out. And then just use your fine tipped Phillips head. 1. And there's number 2. Let's be careful lifting this in case there's adhesive. Does not feel like there's any there. And we're golden. And last stop on this ride is going to be the power supply. We've got 2 clips here and here. This one, just get your finger up underneath of those wires, press down with your thumb, and pull that one out. This one here, pinch it on the sides, shimmy it out. It might give you some grief. They usually do. Just pinch it. And just kind of rock her on out. There she goes. And then we've just got a handful of screws. Once again, be gentle, no resistance, and she's free. So there we have it, another pretty simple removal video. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you do subscribe to our channel, your first order will have 20% off. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.